You can take videos of that?
Yep.
And
Bring your yarn across, yep. Now you're going to jump them over.
jump. 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 Jump.
Good job.
Around.
Push them down.
And fingernail.
I know.
Oops.
It's okay. You're doing good. Just make it a little tighter. There you go.
Jump. 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 Look.
Wow. Look how beautiful that's getting. Oh, it's going to be a beautiful scarf. Keep going. Good job, Claire.